Alright guys, I'm at Pan Asia. We're looking for some duck. Got some duck right here. I'll grab one. We're gonna make some special duck recipe. Okay, we're looking for some sauce. This is low soy spice marinade. Mom, what are you doing? Oh, she's preparing this duck for dinner. Removing the feathers. Interesting. Pink sea salt. My mom is massaging the salt in case that package is not flavorful enough. We're just pre-cooking it, so it has that crispier skin. See, we go for that texture right there. Okay. Okay, while my mom is preparing back there, let's take a look at the packaging. Spice marinated is low soy up, okay? So the ingredients are basically is a traditional Chinese flavor. The soy sauce, mainly soy sauce and other herbs and spices, usually traditionally used to marinate a chicken or a duck. So you see all the ingredients right there. Okay. Oh, it's like this. This is it. Okay, my mom gonna try the taste first, so make sure we don't put too much salt in case that's not flavorful enough. How does it taste? How does it taste, Mom? Okay. Okay, pouring it into this pot, and it's perfect size to fit the chicken. I mean the duck in there. We added some other ingredients. You know, this is the green onions, just to make sure it's flavorful enough. A secret special recipe. Okay, Mom, let's put it in. Wow. Can't wait to taste this. Look at this. Ooh. Overflowing, Mom. Yeah, now it's better because we put some of the sauce inside the body. We decided to use a bigger pot. Be careful, Mom. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so my mom is preparing the ba sam gay. I'm learning some skill on how to properly chop a chicken. First, you remove all the body parts, and then you cut along the rib cage, longitudinally, and then diagonally. See? Of course, be careful your hand. See, you see the plate already starting to take shape. Okay, so here's how the duck turned out. So it's been slow cooking for like I think about an hour. I think we overcooked it a little bit. See? Hopefully this taste is good. See how that's falling apart? That means it's overcooked. My mom says this, we overcooked it a little bit because she forgot all about it. But the taste is good. My mom's starting things off with some chow mein. Today we're preparing a special dinner. Alright, I already have some ginger and garlic chopped up along with the pepper. This will go into seaweed tofu soup, and that will go into my garlic shrimp. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to cook my famous spicy Korean seafood tofu soup. Garlic and ginger. And this is chicken broth, so it's gonna be even tastier. Okay, while that's heating up, I'm gonna throw the shrimp head in there just for flavoring. And I'm gonna throw the rest of the shrimp a little bit later. Okay, now I'm gonna throw in the crab, blue crab. Okay, so what we're doing is pan frying these flatfish with batter and egg. See, this is the pepper that we're using, pepper powder. Alright, now I'm going to add some of this J1 tofu. Okay, Mom, put in the mushroom. Alright, tofu is ready here. Now I'm going to add the shrimp. And for flavoring, I'm going to add the Himalayan salt. Not too much because we want to keep a natural sweet flavor.
Thuốc lan, muốn thuốc lan ra cái này gì à? Xin đồ đâu mà cầm rồi.
Since we have some winter melon, we decided to add some winter melon. We cut into small cubes and add it to it. I think that will add some good flavor. Since it's all meat in there, there's some vegetable. Yeah. Same size as tofu. Alright, all the winter melons in. I'm gonna put the tofu in the last 10 minutes or so because I don't want the tofu to be all squishy, overly cooked. Alright, so throw in the tofu. Stir the pot. What's going on here? Looks like we are steaming some pork spare ribs. Okay, Mom, cover it. Just like we serve at the dim sum places. This is what we are adding on top of the noodles. Here's a vegetable stir fry. Well, actually, there's some sausage. Lotus root with bamboo shoots. Okay guys, I'm ready to cook my shrimp. Got some vegetable oil here. First I'm going to sprinkle on the garlic. Garlic. Okay, some rice cooking line. And now some Himalayan sea salt for the flavor. Mom's cooking over here. Oh, stir-fried orange oil with aged bean curd. Okay, so this is how the dinner turned out. Okay,
就等隻落過嚟。
唔係開間鋪頭嗰啲幾好，
係啊。
嗰啲教會嗰個係叫開餐館開，佢都賣咗餐館。